From the ancient past till now, the birds are living on the trees. The snakes are under the earth. The animals, the wild animals are still living in the jungle. Only the humans come from the jungle. Now they are living in the city. It is the evolution, not the life. It is the evolution of their brain. It is the evolution of their physical and mental health. Do you know, friend, what is the power of memory? What is the power of a brain? How much memory we are given by God or by nature? If you know this, you will be surprised. Really, you will be surprised. A huge amount of memory we are given by God. It's really surprising fact. And whatever you are seeing all through artificial things, these are the reflection of our brains, our ideas, our imagination. So you have to aware about the power of human brain. Look, the elephants are much more powerful than us. The horses are much more speedy than us. We can't live under the water like the fish. Even we can't fly like the birds. Still we rule the world because we have a strong and powerful memory. Because we have consciousness and thinking power. So friends, this is very important to conscious about your brain and to conscious about the power of your brain. Now I am telling you how you build a powerful memory, a powerful and strong brain out of few activities. As we are conscious about our health, physical health, that we have to eat good food, we have to do exercise regular basis. So we know how to improve our body, physical health. Mental health is also required some sort of activities and exercise. First of all, in order to improve your brain, you have to maintain certain rules and regulations. Secure for yourself a suitable place where you can study a lot. First thing that you have to do. Next, make good friends. They will help you. They will provide you a good environment where you can discuss everything, whatever you like to do. Next, make a habit of reading. When you are studying, your habit, your hobby must be reading or acquiring knowledge. Knowledge is very much important for our brain. It is the knowledge that decorates our brain. It is the knowledge that shaped our brain. It is the experience, knowledge and experience, they build our brain and they provide such kind of environments that our imaginative power will increase. You can't imagine the imagination power of human brain, and that's why people are now setting their rocket to Mars. So that's all, my friend. Be conscious about the power of brain and do according to it, and your life will be much more beautiful after that.